Ever feel that little pang of, maybe I should pay that credit card bill? You're not alone. Managing finances can sometimes feel like navigating a maze, and when it comes to credit cards, understanding how to make payments efficiently is key to staying on top of things and avoiding those pesky late fees. If you're a Westpac credit card holder, you've got several convenient options at your fingertips. So, instead of letting that bill linger in the back of your mind, let's dive into the simple steps you can take to ensure your Westpac credit card payments are smooth and stress-free. First up, and probably the most popular method in today's digital world, is paying through Westpac Online Banking. If you're already set up with online banking, this is a breeze. Simply log into your Westpac account via their website or the Westpac mobile app. Once you're in, navigate to your credit card account. You should see an option like Make a Payment or Pay Now. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to select the account you want to pay from, whether it's another Westpac account or an external bank account you've linked. You'll then enter the amount you wish to pay. Remember, you can choose to pay the minimum amount due, the full outstanding balance, or any amount in between. Double-check all the details, especially the payment amount and the account you're paying from, before hitting that final Confirm or Pay button. It's usually a good idea to set up payment notifications so you know when your payment has been processed successfully. Another incredibly convenient option is using the Westpac mobile app. The process is very similar to online banking, but with the added portability of your smartphone. Open the app, log in securely, find your credit card account, and look for the payment option. Again, you'll select the payment source, enter the amount, and confirm. The app often allows you to save payment details for future transactions, making subsequent payments even quicker. Plus, you can often view your transaction history and payment schedule directly within the app, giving you a clear overview of your credit card activity. For those who prefer a more traditional approach, you can also make payments in person at any Westpac branch. Simply head to your nearest branch during business hours and speak to a teller. They will be able to assist you with making a payment using cash or a debit card linked to another bank account. Make sure to have your Westpac credit card details handy. While this method is reliable, it might not be the most convenient if you have a busy schedule or don't live close to a branch. Finally, you can also set up a direct debit from your Westpac bank account. This is a fantastic way to automate your credit card payments and ensure you never miss a due date. You can usually set this up through online banking or by contacting Westpac directly. You can choose to pay the minimum amount, the full balance, or a fixed amount on a regular basis. Direct debit provides peace of mind knowing your payments will be made automatically, helping you avoid late fees and potential negative impacts on your credit score. Just make sure you have sufficient funds in your nominated account on the scheduled payment date. Choosing the right payment method for your Westpac credit card depends on your individual preferences and lifestyle. Whether you prefer the speed and convenience of online and mobile banking, the personal interaction of in-branch payments, or the automation of direct debit, Westpac offers a range of options to suit your needs. Take a few moments to explore these methods and find the one that works best for you to keep your credit card account in good standing. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.